Hey guys, it's Pencil Boy here, and today I'll be making a cactus garden / repotting my old cactus. Hope you enjoy. The things I'll be using is of course cactus soil, some rocks, maybe some sand, and a pot. As you can see in this photo, my cactuses are definitely ready to be repotted. I suggest picking a bowl that is open so the cactuses have plenty of room to grow. The glass bowl that I'll be using is actually a salad bowl that was $20 from the warehouse. Pretty easy, definitely not as expensive as some of the cactus bowls. One of the first things I did was remove all the rocks and soil from the pot. Next, I removed both cactuses, which was quite hard because they had definitely outgrown their pot. Now for the new pot. I start by putting some rocks in the bottom, only a couple centimeters, and then I top that up with some cactus soil. Next, decide where you want your cactuses, then bury the roots in soil. Last but not least, add a few rocks on top and maybe a few shells, and it's finished. And there we go guys, the cactuses are finished. Hope you enjoyed this video. It was a bit different to normal, but I definitely enjoyed it. If you liked it, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.